All right, we're gonna show y'all when we're in the market because even if we sold, selling probably wouldn't have been the best idea. We had to. So selling would have been the best idea. Look, maybe we start off early. So basically, what we want to do for today, as you can see, is open territory. So as in the range is ranging. It's been ranging a lot on Monday, as you can see. These is the setup you probably would have took. So boom, you could take this one because at most this one, I probably wouldn't have took this one when I look. When you look back on it, I probably wouldn't have took this. Probably wouldn't have took this one. Take this out the no, but this one, this is a nice one. But as you can see, you could get more bang for your buck. So look, as you can see, it's a ranging. But you know, 1 minute ain't the best of things. So we take this is how we take advantage of the 1 minute. You enter from the 50. You got the 1.4 going on right here. Another one right here. Enter from the 50. But we probably lose this one because look. So that's a L. This would have been an L. And then it comes out of here. You can say it can come back to here. It comes out of here again, breaks out, comes back. But I don't know if it's gonna. I probably wouldn't take this per se because it's already two out of the money. Does hit this? Don't get me wrong, but it is out of the money for me, so I probably wouldn't take this. And this is a nice one right here. So as you can see, support, support, support. It breaks down support, and then as you can see, look at this. Comes right here, and another one is right here. I could say here. There's a nice one right here. So you get two bangs for your buck. So you got this one, you probably would have took the W. This one, you probably would have took the L. And then this one, you probably would have took the W. As you can see, it comes up to here. Boom, boom, boom. It hits the 1.4. Almost hit break even. Almost hit break even. So well, as you can see, it comes up, comes down, comes up here. You see this. This is a good this could be a good indicator for a sell. Don't get me wrong. Sell from here. Never comes back down here. Like I said, I would have took this. This is a good one. So it would have been 2 for 2. This is a boom, boom. You probably want to take this right here. Boom, boom, boom. It comes up. Boom, 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 boom. Comes up. You see this right here. I don't really like this because look, it's going into territory. It probably can come up here, which it did, but I don't really like it because it's not guaranteed. So yeah. So boom. So this is like a no go. So this would have been a no go because in real time, look, real time. All right, you see this. Three real time. You see boom, boom, boom. This is real time action. So I'll probably delete this because in real time, boom, boom, hit this third one. You probably want to come a little bit above if you want to sell, but you wouldn't sell. And this one, all right, boom, it comes up, it comes down, it comes up, it sells, it sells, it sells. So boom, 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 boom. At most, you can get something like this. Yeah, hopefully it comes back up to here. It does. Get something like this on a nice Monday. On a nice Monday. That's another one. Look at this. This is advantage taking. So boom, boom, boom. It comes up here. You see this? Boom, 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 boom. So one. I don't like this. So come back up. Comes up. Comes up. I like this right here. So boom. And as you can see, boom right here. For most price. So this is what we do. Boom, boom. It comes up. Comes up. Never really hits it. This is it right here. But we gotta see. Cause look. But if this could be it, never hits, never hits. So boom, comes up, comes up, which it does hit this 101, comes down, and then look, that's a nice one right there. Boom, nice one. As you can see, today was like really a ranging area, and what you want to do, ranging has this. As I'm looking at the market, repetitive, ranging is not perfect. So sometimes it'll range out, and then it'll wick out. So range, wick out, enter from here, stop loss right here, enter right here, or you can enter right here, boom, 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 just in case. Because look, you can enter here, even if you want to enter late. So boom, comes back, you can enter here, lose. It comes here, boom, 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 enter here. Wait, even entering late off most of these. So boom, 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 come here, boom, 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 comes here, enter here, boom, 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 comes here, comes back, enter here. As you can see, re-entering might be safer, but sometimes I have to look at it over time to keep noticing it is safe. So boom, 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 enter here, comes back here. Uh, this one, it comes up, boom, 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 boom. There's another one right here, enter here, comes down. Comes down, enter here, it comes back up, lose, comes down, and it goes back to break even. So as you can see, if we re-enter, so so re re-enter once, it hits the 50% area for the second Second time. Win rate. I get to 7.4. 7.14. 2025. So all right, comes down, comes up, enter, enter. So that's an I. Then L. Comes here, comes here, comes down, comes here again. You're gonna get an L. Because in real time, we probably would come here, come down, come here, enter, with down. Instead of, you know what, right? Comes here, we enter. So our comes here, comes down, enter here, comes down, comes up, win. Comes here, comes down, comes here, enter, comes here, doesn't. So L. That's another one. So boom, it breaks out. If you use this, it doesn't come back up. Still doesn't come back up. It breaks out, comes here, comes down, comes here, enter. That's a W. This one comes here, comes down, comes here. You can re-enter somewhere like right here. Comes here, comes down. That's a W. Comes here. Comes here. Comes here, comes down, comes here. Low key, this might can change. Low key, like in real time, this can change because if you come here, like, well, in real time, we never know. We probably could still take this. So boom, wicks, it still comes all the way down. Comes here, comes down, comes here. We might still take this. We could say support is supporting this. Get something like up here. But we're gonna call it a L and then just go on to the next day. So the win rate will be 1.7 times 4. So 1.7. 1.7. 1. So it would be 3.8. That's divided by 2. So, so it will be 1.9. 1.9. As you can see, but let's try to do Monday. So all right, so Monday, as you can see, Breaks out. See if it's trying to come back. Breaks out again. Probably doesn't come back. Three touches right here. See three touches. As you can see, three touches right here. We got an analog. Boom, boom. I don't really like this one. Come back. Now it's looking a little nasty. Boom, boom, boom. So that's one L W L. I don't know. I don't know what that would be. Never came back. As you can see, this is kind of like a range and market. Hold up. Hold up, live. I should have muted. Hello, live. Hello? Wait, hello? Say it again? Yeah. Oh, okay. I ain't know. I ain't know. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna. All right. I'm gonna call him back. All right. All right. Let's go. So, as you can see, this is like a range and market. Like we could see, we could test like this one out. Maybe this. You see how this one's just ranging. This is more of a range, and look how it just defeats the range. What is it? Be a boom, W. This might can be a sell right here. Let's look at this respecting, respecting. If it comes back down, we probably want it down to here, but never came back down. So it touched here, comes back, never came back down, so we never enter it. But that is a point that we would like to answer. As you can see, it's just moving area to area. Comes back down here. Let's see if it looks back down. I like how this look. To be honest, let it come back up. Enter, enter, boom. So there's another one right here. Comes up, comes down, re-enter, you go. And we could take price. So like right here. Price to where point already hit. Like you see, now it's not even a fact. I remember I could have just entered anything, but it's the fact we trying to get imbalances in the market so we can have better entries. You feel me? Excuse me, miss, can you get out of our way? Yo, I really I don't think I understand like how difficult it is for me to play with and It can come up to here because look, price was hit here. As you can see, price hit here already. So it can't look. And it's pushed right up to there. So that can be another point of emphasis. But it can still hit there. If not, if it touched this, I would probably want to get out, to be honest. There ain't really nothing you can do here because at this point, we trying to follow price. So boom, boom, boom. It comes here. Comes here. You want it to break, come back, never comes back, so you never enter this. But I can see this going to here. I can see some type of price going here to here, maybe. Yeah, I can see some type of price going here to here. So yeah, I can see. You see, price had to finish off because if it came here, it had to finish coming to here. But we have missed this one. We entered this one, sure, but we may have missed this one. This is a range and day, so it's like the market in imbalance. 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 Re-enter once it hit the 50% area for the second time. Win rate 1.9 for the second time. This day you re-enter once a month by the end time. So boom, you like a W, and you like a L. Oh no, this is day 11. Mainly after this, you'll probably be done, but we can see what price wants to do. So boom, boom. This was never really a range and area to me, so I didn't mark it down. So boom, comes here. Time. All right, comes to the second. Steady dropping. I think I wouldn't enter this because okay, and it hit this 1.4, so there's no point of entry. Boom, boom, boom. It might just come up to here. Even if it don't, so if it don't, if the price don't come up to here, this is what you do. You mark it. It's right here right now. All right, we got 3 candles. Boom. It hits here. It's over. There's a price at emphasis. It came. No imbalance. This is an imbalance. So an imbalance is like we follow in market. It hits here. Boom. It hits here. Let's see if it go down. Doesn't go down. Comes up. Comes here. Enter. Imbalance. This is not really an imbalance because we thinking it might hit here. Comes here. Comes out. Comes here. Comes here. Comes here. Comes here. Doesn't come back. Go the points of emphasis. You may could get an entry right here. Knowing market, I would enter here to here. That's why I said here to here, here to here. As you can see, price here to here, sell here, price. You just gotta know where price is going. It comes here, we don't know. Price comes here, here to here. It comes here to at least here. Boom, 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 boom. Sell price. We don't know. The price comes here, it's coming here. The price comes here, it's coming here. The price comes here, it's coming here. And now you can say price can come here to here, but we don't know. We don't really know too much. And I wouldn't even answer this to be honest. I'll let it do that like that. So it's an imbalance. As you can see, imbalance. Price does hit this 50. It comes up, comes down, comes up again. You might enter that, and you might lose. So it comes up. All right, so boom. It breaks down, comes up, comes down. Say you enter here, you lose. But like I said, all imbalances doesn't work because it could have been like, hey, I don't want to go down. I'll probably just fake it out. Maybe I'm just faking out. So it comes up, comes down, comes up. Doesn't do this. Some imbalances just don't work sometimes. Maybe it wants to come up, but it went back down to here. Comes up, range in this area. It's about 4, so you probably be done. But now, so let's see. Points of emphasis. You're just looking for in marking areas and looking for imbalances. So come here, mark up, imbalance. We just look for 2 imbalances a day. So this look at an interesting point. Even if you do enter from here, I will want to come here because price did come here and it did smack here. So this would be one W. Yeah. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, 2, 1, 2. This is not a really good imbalance. But I do like this from here. Yeah. All right, so 1, that's 1 win, 2 wins. That's a L. Boom. This is not really quantified as a win, so we're gonna delete this because we don't really know when to enter. It's kind of quick, so it'll be a nice 2-1. But we gotta learn when to take advantages of the. Oh shit! Gotta learn when to take advantages of like cool imbalances. Like this is kind of imbalance. Maybe I don't even want to count this low key. You do win this one. Don't get me wrong. This is an imbalance. You win this one. That's 3 for 1. Nice three. So usually 3 for 1. You'll probably be good. What the fuck is this? I won't take this one. That's imbalance. Price have to come up to here to here. If you want price to come up to here to here, price comes to here to here. Price going up to here to here. Because price already, we just going to a previous price action. Previous price action, even if you go leftwards, look, we're going to previous price action. So if we came here, it came here to here. Let's see, previous price actions. Here to here. Look, here to here. You know, so you gotta find points in a market where price will just automatically go to that spot and imbalances so you could get in at a range and area. So what you want to find is where price is guaranteed to most likely go and imbalances. So imbalances is like it's a ranging, maybe it's still ranging, but it wicks out a little bit and you just catch the tippity top of the range of the imbalance. Or you want to know where price comes like price is like guaranteed to come like from here to here or something like that. Like the price comes here, guarantee it's going to come at least right here, even if it goes up or down. So you got to find imbalances and you got to find um then we probably could wick it up here. I don't know, like me, because you could probably like price came from here. Low key, you can probably put price to here, maybe, but probably didn't want to break. So you can say 1 to 2 for this day. That's pretty okay. Uh, and then you can take imbalances. Like I said, we find imbalances in the market. We're going to keep studying this. 1.7 times 3. So 2 divided by 2. So it'll be 1.55%. 1.55% of the day. 1.9% of the day. And that's just 2. Now, I want to keep doing more, but I'm gonna do a different pair. Like gold, I want to see how good it is on gold. Nas and gold is kind of like the same thing. So we are gonna do today's gold, and we're gonna do another day's gold. So what we're gonna do is find imbalances and see what the market gives us. Wait, hold up. Let's exit. Let's cancel the people. Okay. So most likely, first of all, let's just see what we did today. Let's just exit. So the market, we come here. You see, nice imbalance. Nice imbalance right here. But yeah, it comes down, comes up, comes back up. Perfect imbalance. Nice, nice. So this is a nice imbalance. We could do 1.4. We can do the 2.2. Like I'm saying, we can, but 1.4 is the safe. I think it should come here? Maybe not. I don't know. But it did come to the 1.44, and that's kind of like a guaranteed take profit. Most likely, I don't know. Maybe I would have did a 2.2 because it looks like, hey, I could wick up to here and comes back down. That's a good like TP, to be honest. And now he's going in his range of direction. Now this is where the strategy I'm talking about imbalances don't really kind of work. You got to know when the range is about to bust out. So the range come all the way down from here to here. Uh, so now we got to find like, okay, what can we do? So a nice imbalance comes down, comes up, comes down, probably lose. So boom, you see this, boom, 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 boom. Breaks out of here, comes down, comes up, comes down. That's a L. This is a L because you want to wait for retest of price. Retest, it comes up, then you lose. So you will lose. So now it comes up, range, range, range. Nice imbalance. Boom, 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 boom. Comes up. Don't really have an entry, to be honest. If you do here, it comes down, comes here, it comes down. Maybe this can be an entry, but it's not the best entry. And then I don't know. So boom, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up. If this goes down, this is kind of imbalanced. So it's from here to here. It has to come here to here at least. Don't really like this one too much. So we can delete this one. But this is an imbalance. So it comes here, say we put an alert here, or it comes here, then it comes back down. This is a nice imbalance. And you can find this in anything, like even like the 15 minute, you can find imbalances. Like I will try to find like instead of 1 minute, because maybe you can't trade every day all day. Look at because you can find imbalances in the market, but this is a nice imbalance because as you can see, price look over at recent price. So we 1 and 1 for the day, and then we probably could enter somewhat of an imbalance from here to here. Some I know market at least have to come here to somewhere right here. Guaranteed somewhere right here. Even though it's a little spot, it's guaranteed 90% to go right here. So that's probably like a little thing you just have to notice. So boom, comes here. Like I said, price comes up, comes down, imbalance. We got this nice imbalance. Comes up, comes down, enter, TP. Simple. Comes down, so comes down, comes down, enter, TP. So boom, it's a nice imbalance. You see, you want to go to the 5 minute and see what the hell is this right here. So it's, you do something like this. It's just price where the market just has to go. Like an imbalance probably was from here to here. Not an imbalance, just price. It just has to go there. So like you come here, wick, it wicks out, it comes up. Still, read down, comes up, wicks, comes wick up, comes back down, comes back to the 50, enter. Yeah, enter from this 50 right here. But maybe you don't even enter this, to be honest. You probably won't even enter this. But how much imbalances we have? We had 2 imbalances. Let's throw 3 imbalances. So all right, that's 3. here. That's an imbalance. So now we're going to new areas. Low key, we probably could delete this and then just use something like this. So this might be an imbalance. Like boom, 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 boom. 3 never hits here. Wick, 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 wick. Comes down, comes up, comes down. I'm trying to see how this is an imbalance. At most, you probably could do something like this. At most. So it comes down, it comes up, it comes up. So boom, 3. Let's see. So 3 comes up, comes down, hits this. But what have I did notice? From here to here is guaranteed. Look how little that is. But if you can find that something like this on like a higher time frame, it's over. Like say if you could find, look how small it is on a 1 minute. But if you could find like this in like a daily, like an imbalance, like somewhere price just have to go boom boom. Like it's on dailies too. Like so like if price comes here, 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 here. For example, I'm trying to even find it. So like from here to somewhere right here. From here to here, it comes up, comes up, comes up. 50, somewhere right here. Comes to 50. Imbalance comes here. At least has to come to right here. Okay, look at this. Look how big this is from 220. That's 50 points. It's crazy. So you can even find this on like higher time frames and just that's what I'm willing to learn how to do instead of like this is free range. So free range is where price is gonna automatically just go boom boom there to there automatically. It depends on price. Like you have to understand the market structure. Like it's not just gonna go there randomly. Like look boom 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom, 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 boom. As soon as it touch it, boom, 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 boom. As you can see, this is free range. So I call this free range. Free, free. Let me just go free. Where price auto purchase gold. Purchase gold. So comes back up. Comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up. So you probably took this to right here because to be saying this is free range. So boom, 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 boom. Comes up, comes up, comes up, breaks out. Comes up, free range, comes down, and yeah. So comes down, comes up, enter, one, comes down, comes up, comes down, enter, comes down, comes up, comes down. Probably won't enter this. Oh, let's see. Back out, back out, back out. Let's see. Comes down, comes up. Nah, we probably would enter this. Nah, let's stop. Let's the fucking stop. That's two W's. So let's look. Because it comes down, comes up, comes down, comes down, comes up, comes down, enter. That's one. Comes down, comes up, comes down, enter. That's one. That's 1.5. Free range. Free range. Comes down, comes up, comes down, enter. That's what's that? 2-1. Comes down, comes up, comes down. 2-2. So 2-2. So 7/14 slash 2025 on finding free range areas on 1 minute and in imbalances in the market. So what I want to do the next day, I kind of do want to start studying for like 2 hours, but yeah, I do want to start studying for like 2 hours. Excuse me, if you're going to be temperatures right now, people are going. Can you do it? I'll let you sister, I'm sorry. No, if you can do 10 push-ups, I'll stop. Alright, thank you. Excuse me, if it's going to do 10 push-ups right now, I'll buy you for you. If you can do 10 push-ups. You got it? 4, get 5, count 1. 6, 7, touch 9, touch 9. Touch. Oh, almost did it. I will do it. So I'm going to come back on your left and you guys do 10 push-ups, okay? Good job. Excuse me, if you don't do 10 push-ups right now, I'll buy him anything you want. Can you just poop? If you can do 10 push-ups, I'll clean it right now. Excuse me, if you're going to do 10 push-ups right now, I'll pay for all your groceries. Can you do it? And now we're gonna do Nas. Probably tomorrow we're gonna do like 2 days and 2 days. Like gold, we're gonna try to expand gold. We're gonna try to find imbalances range. We're gonna find we have to be more precise in our entries. We have to be. So what did we see today? Let's just go for today. So boom. imbalance already. All right, let's go. So we going. All right, you can see we doing imbalances. I want to start from. Let's just start. Let's reroute this. So imbalance. It comes up. It comes up. Another imbalance. At most. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, at the most. So boom. Comes down. You enter off here. That's a nice one right there. That's nice. That's nice. That's real nice. Mm-hmm. That's a nice one right there. As you see, it holds from here, breaks out. Or if you really want to be generous and be like, this is an imbalance, something like this, mainly. Something like this, say imbalance. I don't really like it here. It looks nasty, like boom, comes here, comes out, comes. Give or take. This is what it is. So we could leave that right there. Because this is kind of like free range. This is free. This is free range. So if it comes, it's free range. Or every time we were just alerted here, boom, boom. So once it comes here, alert, 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 alert. Just set alerts and then see how the imbalances work. So speed out through your day. Now, what do we start to see? Like if it starts smacking up, boom, 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 boom. This can be an imbalance right here. This can be, but it is strong wick, so you're gonna wait. Comes down. It doesn't. It's not qualified, so we delete it. Boom. Could be an imbalance. Nah, it's not an imbalance. This is kind of, but we don't really like this one. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this one. I don't like this one too much. So we're just gonna keep it pushing. Yeah, we just gonna see what it does. I like this one. I like this right here. So you can see what price does here. Somewhat. Now, this is starting to be like a imbalance area right here. I will look at this as an imbalance. boom, breaks out. So at most, we probably could have entered, but it's not really an imbalance. It's just it breaks out here. These are imbalances because it's from this point. So look how it holds. Look how it holds. It comes back up. If it holds, it comes back up. If it holds. We can't say this is free range, but we don't really know. I don't really know if this is free range. Like if it comes right here, wicks up, comes here, wicks up. I don't know. I don't. But this is free range right here. I don't know. This is free range, but we wouldn't know when to enter. So right here, free range. But you wouldn't want to know when to enter. We gonna delete this one too. For imbalances and ranges. So boom. If I just broke through all of that. So zoom, 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 zoom. This I think price will come to here at least. Like I said, price, free range. That's free range right there. I wouldn't enter it. It's dangerous. Don't get me wrong, but this is free range. If it comes here, it's gonna come here. Guarantee because that's what price was at previously. It is. It's 930. You see our price just ripping through old support. Wait till price do something. As you can see, starting to make a little bit of imbalances. I like how it looks. Trust me, I really do like how it looks. You come here, you see what it does. It rips through. So you can see free range. This is old points for price of emphasis. Comes up, goes back down. I think if price did come to here, I would want price. So from here, guaranteed from here to here, it's going. If it comes here, it's going to come here. So I kind of like this one right here. So free range. So boom. It kind of hits this area. You're going to delete this right here. Boom. I like this. You're going to look back, yo. This is free range right here. All of this is free range. Guaranteed. Maybe. I'm thinking all of this is free range because look, from here to here is no point. So I kind of want to get something from here and probably sell off to here. So like hopefully I could get something from the sell side. So boom. So let me see. So you do the 3, comes up, comes back down. It comes here, it comes down. Might enter here, might not. There's a better entry. I like that. So boom. Give or take. It's nice 2 for 2. Give or take. This is nice right here. So look, we only got 2 free range areas. Yeah. I'm gonna kind of wrap this up soon. I'm gonna do 2 hours tomorrow. I want something from over here to here. I probably wouldn't free range this. What's wrong, bro? Probably want to free range that. Maybe this. Maybe. So comes here. Wait. Comes here. Let it come back down. If it does hit the 1.4, hits 1.4, comes back down. Let it come back up. Free range. So boom. It's an entry right here. We'll answer this. I do like this entry. Nah, I'm not gonna. I would do something like this. Boom. I don't know. Maybe. Oh yeah. So boom. So look, you have three options. Look, so that's three clean setups right there. Free range, free range, free range, free range, free range, free range. And I'm telling you, so free range, free. If it comes here, free range. If it comes here, free range. If it comes here, free range. I want to make more lines that's acceptable. You have to understand the market. You have to understand market structure. You can't just do a strategy and just be like it works. You have to understand markets imbalances, free ranges. Tree setup. I was doing bullshit in the beginning, but I failed it, and now I'm trying to get better, and I will get better because I have to become the best in the world. I was feeling sad, but if I put in the work, the hours, I will feel like I was putting the work in the hours today, and I feel obligated. So we're gonna do the stats for today. That's three. So we went three times for that. Oh no, blondie. So these are the setups. I want to do about three gold setups tomorrow. I want to do probably one, and I'll probably do tomorrow. I'll probably do all tomorrow's US 30 Nas and probably do three gold setups for tomorrow and maybe a Nas. I'll probably stay up here for a little longer. I will be going live on TikTok, so tune in. And yeah, appreciate the follow, likes, and follow up.